Hello students, see the question on your screen. The function of AlCl3 in the Friedel-Crafts reaction is to produce electrophile, produce nucleophile, absorb water or absorb HCl. To find out the answer for this particular question, let us see what is this particular reaction and how the mechanism works for it. Friedel-Crafts reaction is of two types. It can be an alkylation reaction and an acylation reaction. The reaction which is mentioned on your screen is an acylation reaction whereby we are taking help of acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Your aromatic compounds are converted into aromatic ketones. If you consider alkylation reactions, then in that case the only difference is instead of acyl chloride we take help of alkyl halides, right? Again the condition remains the same. You have to work it out again in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and the product which you are getting is aromatic halides, right? To find out the mechanism associated with it, let us move ahead. So in the first step of the mechanism, acyl halides interact with aluminium trichloride in such a way that this type of an intermediate compound is formed. And why this compound formation can take place, that is because chlorine has an excess electron, 3 lone pair of electrons, and aluminium has a vacant p orbital. So chlorine donates its electron to aluminium, resulting in a formation of a bond between both of them. Now because of this bond formation and acceptance and donation of electron, chlorine gains an overall charge of +1 and aluminium gains an overall charge of -1, right? So the valency changes for both of them. Now as far as the chlorine is concerned here, this chlorine is having a +1 charge, but it is an highly electronegative element, so it cannot be more stable in this state. So what the chlorine is going to do is it will pull the electrons from here. As a result, carbon will decrease in terms of its electron density and you will get this formation of a carbocation and AlCl4 will be given out as an byproduct or an intermediate within the reaction. Now this RCO, that is an acyl group with a positive charge, it's a carbocation basically, that is a formation of electrophile has been taken place. This carbocation can further resonate and it can convert in this form which is called as acylium ion. So how this acylium ion is formed? As we can see, carbon has a positive charge. To fulfill the electron density of carbon, oxygen will donate its electron, resulting in triple bond between both of them, but at the same time oxygen will now develop a positive charge on it. See in the next step, there will be a formation of a carbocation. This carbocation formation can take place since the oxygen will pull the electron towards itself, carbon will get a positive charge as the electron density decreases on the carbon atom. Then this carbocation through the carbon atom will attack the aromatic proton. How it is going to attack? See, the pi electrons will shift in such a way that there will be a negative charge on one of the aromatic ring, one of the carbon atom of the aromatic ring, and a positive charge on the other side. So since it is an electrophile, it will attack the negative carbon atom, resulting in this particular intermediate. Is it clear up to here? Now further, this intermediate is highly unstable. Reason, it has lost its aromaticity, right? So now the AlCl4 moiety which was formed in the last step will play its role. Chlorine, one of the chlorine which has completed its valence electrons will pull the hydrogen towards itself, and this bonding pair of electrons will move in the interiors and form the pi electrons, satisfying the aromaticity of the ring. As a result, the unaromatic compound is now been converted into an aromatic compound. Okay, and the byproducts produced here are, one is HCl and the other we are left with is AlCl3. So that is about the complete mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So what you can observe in this case, that in case of acylation reaction, AlCl3 or even in alkylation reaction, it almost has the same mechanism. So AlCl3 has a very important role to play and it has the tendency to generate an electrophile, that is a carbocation. So let us move on your main question which was asked initially. See the question. The function of AlCl3 in the reaction is to produce electrophile. So the option is A, right? So that's for today. Rest will continue in the next video. Till then, stay safe, work hard.